As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here another red candle here. What that indicating? It's indicating one thing guys, the Bitcoin is going to spend another week sideways here. Yes, that week we got huge news, so you need to be careful from those things, where that Bitcoin going to break. And also show you here that inside bar, we've been talking about it a lot here. Till now, also we still inside the range of it. That means there is nothing to talk about here in daily. The only thing we still have here that uptrend like that, we show it to you, even that one. We need to be careful about it if we're going to break it. And even the 20 moving average here in daily, you need to look close at it. And all the things I can tell you here, we show you here, we got a bearish divergence like that. We show you all those things. Now what else we waiting? We're waiting either the market is going to push more higher, or from here going to give us a price action indicating the market is going to dump for us to catch in that short from there. And we're going to ride it till the end, exactly for those ones they hedging the risk like me. I don't sell my Bitcoin guys. Me always just accumulating Bitcoin. Bitcoin for me, it's like a saving. Me, I saving it, my money. That's what me I do. Even you can do those things. By the way, there is a course in my Udemy if you want to learn those things. And it's not expensive. It's only 12 bucks. If you are interested in that, my view here, Bitcoin here, at this time, it's look like it's going to stay sideways. If you watch Friday video, we told you the Bitcoin, it's not going to go to nowhere. We are going to spend all the week here. And that's what it's looking like. The only thing we're going to see huge volatility like that, guys. Even that one, you need to be careful from it. Also, we're killing it. We enter in it long. We take some profit from it. We enter short as day trading, of course. We take some profit from it. And that's what else we're doing every day. Now here, we don't need that. Now here, we don't need to make that video too long, guys. And by the way, guys, we want you to write in comments. We want to hear your thought, what you like about our videos, and what you want us to improve in our videos. Please, we want to hear that from you down below in the comment, guys. We want to improve that channel by your thought, because we need to listen to you and we want to have that from you. Write down in the comment, tell me what I can improve. Do you want me to take it off the daily chart? You want me to start making very short videos like 30 minutes? Just tell me your thought, what you seeing and what can also we improve in that channel. I want to hear that from you guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And don't forget the thumbs up which is down, my friend. As you see, the like button, make sure to smash it. I want that video to reach to 100 like. That long I haven't asked you that. So please guys, we want that video to reach to 100 like if it's possible. Make sure to smash that like button. And if you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, down below in the description of that video, as you see it, in the first two lines here, you're going to find the link of our Patreon, the one here, click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon, guys. As you see the one here, see member option, click at it. You're going to land here, guys. We got three tiers here. We got the position, the VIP member, and elite member. That one here is going to give you guys for long term. That's when you are not going to be involved in swing trading or day trading or something like that. It's going to be for long term. That one position, you're going to hold some trades. It might to take months. It might to take weeks, depending on the market situation. That one here, it's the VIP member. You're going to get all our cryptocurrency services, even the one here, even the position. And the last one, the elite, you're going to get all the three here, plus the stock market, guys. So you choose what you want, depending on you, what you want. If you don't got money, my friend, that's very, very important. If you don't got money to pay our subscription, join me in the free Discord. The link of it is down, and text me there, and we're going to find a way for you. There is many ways. Just join me, and I'm going to find for you a way how to offer for you a free membership. The link of my free Discord is down. If you're facing any problem, as I told you, can text me. Let me show you today earnings, guys. Today earnings, as you see it, guys, we still have here that long in XRP, that long in the Doge, a long in the Sol, and a long in the Bitcoin. All of them, they start running, guys. And we enter a short as day trading today. Yes, I haven't got the earnings of it here. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to trade from professional people, that's the job of them, my friend. No BS, no fabs, no nothing. When we lose, we share it. And when we win, we share it. We share with you, even with smaller account, how much you can earn, and with a bigger account, how much you can earn. So if you are interested and you want to join us, as I told you, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. Oh, here in daily, guys, we don't got a lot of things. Now we're going to see the SP500, the VIX, because even those ones, the Bitcoin, it always follow them. Let me show you those things. Here we are, guys, in the SP500, same thing. The SP500 today show us here in 4 hours as if it's going to dump because that week is going to be a huge week. What me I told you about it, I told you like that. We got here an uptrend, and now that uptrend also we are in the border of it. Let's see if it's going to be broken, guys. If it's getting broke, even the Bitcoin is going to follow the SP500 because that it always happen. If the SP500 push more higher, let's see even that one, but based on the VIX, guys, because that one is very, very important. Let me show you the VIX, what it's telling us. Then we came back here to the SP500. The VIX, guys, as you see it, it's still 15. That means we haven't bottom, we haven't touched that 12 as we been talking about. You remember, as we said, when is it 12? That's the right time for us to take profit. That means it's still very early. There is nothing to be worried about, guys, here. The SP500 is still going above. Even we see those correction and those things that normal in those market those days. Let me show you something very important about the SP500. In the SP, guys, as you see, we got here a very clear divergence here, as you see it from that peak here and that one here, and that one here and that one here. As you see it, very clear bearish divergence here in 4 hours, guys. Should we enter a short? Not yet, as we still waiting. And if you're looking at our indicator, as we staying here only in a zone where it's only bulls the controlling, that's mean there is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything here. Now we're going to see grid and fair index, Bitcoin ETF, liquidity, heatmap, and coming news of today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Bitcoin fair and greed index, as you see, guys, the greed it's still very high, 74. So you need to be careful, my friend. Also, we've been talking about that going to 2-3 weeks, but people they still thinking the market is going to go more higher. When greed is high, guys, you need to be careful. Also, we've been saying that thousands of times, and as you see it here, based on history here, look with me here. You see the one here, the one with gray here, that the Bitcoin chart, and the one here, as you see it in front of you. When it's become red like that, always the Bitcoin making that correction. As you see it, guys, there is a correction coming. Now we become red here, so there is a correction coming, guys. So you need to be careful from those things I'm telling you. That's the only things I can tell you. Now is going to see Bitcoin ETF for the chain today. Here we are, guys, and Bitcoin ETF today is the start of the week. As you see, all of them they sold. Only one will buy is Grayscale Mini. ARK Investment today they sold 145 Bitcoin. BITB they sold 123. We don't got the data of BlackRock and Fidelity, but we need to wait them to see what they have done. At this time when also recording, is it minus 177 Bitcoin. Let's see BlackRock and Fidelity what they have done today. Now it's going to see liquidity heatmap what it's telling us today, guys. Here we are, guys, based on the liquidity heatmap here in 24 hours. As you see, we got some stop losses above and down here. Those ones down compared to those ones above. Me, I see the market is going to liquidate those ones here because they haven't liquidated them and it's very close. Then after that, it's going to come back to liquidate those ones. And my view, personally, all the week, we're going to spend it like that, up, down, up, down, up, down. So also we are ready for everything. Now it's going to see liquidity heatmap what it's telling also in weekly, guys, because that's very, very important. Let me show it to you. And weekly, guys, liquidity heatmap is telling us a different picture. We got a huge number of stop losses above here. So what the view, Bitcoin is going to come to liquidate those stop losses above here. And from here, we're going to see if it's going to dump or not, because at this time, there is not a lot of target down here compared to those ones above. That's why my view, Bitcoin is going to come back above to liquidate those stop losses above. Now, let's go into see the coming news of today, guys, because today is very, very important day. Let me show you the coming news. Coming news of today, guys, as you see that the coming news we got today, we got consumer confidence and the jolt. The most important one is that consumer confidence is going to come at 2 o'clock, but the most important day is tomorrow, guys. So you need to be careful from those things. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, Bitcoin in 12 hours, it's look like it's going to break here the 20 moving average and it's going to fall down to touch here the 50 moving average here, down exactly at 115k down here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. If that Bitcoin from here show us maybe it's going to go back above, even that one is possible, guys. Levels or zones, you need to look close at them as every day. What else we telling you here? That zone here, where is the 50 moving average, 115,997. And the top one, that one here, 121,709. Those ones, the two levels, you need to look close at them. Until now, if you found the content valuable, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. in the Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin, same thing. It's breaking for us that uptrend here. You remember it, guys, or no? Now maybe the one here, it just came back to test it. Then after that, we're going to see the Bitcoin dump like that and to break for us that last low here, that one. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So everything is in front of you. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? The Bitcoin going to give us here a bullish flag, guys, like that. And that one is a very, very bullish sign. Maybe the Bitcoin going to come and to break in the last high here. And we're going to pump more higher than that. Based on our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, let me show you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it playing here? That means no bulls, no bears that are winning now. Let's see which direction we're going to catch. Either from here going to pump again, or from here going to dump. And also we're ready for everything, guys. Let's see the coming hours, what they are going to tell us. But based on our indicator, it's telling us at this time there is no trading and we need to wait. Now, let's go into see the Ethereum what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Based on the Ethereum, guys, we still have here that uptrend like that. Actually, it's look like we're breaking it here. But me here in the Ethereum, I'm looking here if the Ethereum going to give me like that a double top or a M here. Because that for swing trading, guys, is not scalping or 5 minutes and those things. It's going to take time, but when it came, we're going to catch like how it happened from here till the top here. And if it came and it's breaking here, the double top, it's going to dump from here till down here, and also we're ready for everything. If it's going to pump, we're going to catch it. If it's going to dump, we catch it. That's our job, guys, and that's what us we're doing here. And that's why every time we're telling you, if you want to trade with professional people, you want to learn how to trade, how to manage the risk, how to manage those trades, because that's the job of us, guys. Also, we don't just give you signals, also we manage those trades with you. That's the different, guys, but it's up to you, my friend. Now, let me show you our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touched here that zone. Now is it playing here? But the good news here in the Ethereum, also we staying here only in a zone where it's only bulls the controlling. Look at it, guys, here down. There is no bears controlling, and look at the chart. Look how far away it's been going above. So also we still in an uptrend based on that one here. I'm talking here about 4 hours, guys. There is nothing changed till we enter down here. Then the trend is going to change. So also we're ready for everything. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Sol is going there. Here we are, guys, in the Sol, same thing. The Sol, we still have here that uptrend like that, and now we are in the border of it here, guys. There is one of two now. Either that Sol from here going to pump again, that number one scenario. Second scenario, that Sol going to break here, and we're going to see it dumping again. Even that one is possible. Another thing which is very, very important is it here, guys. Maybe the Sol going to give us here a big double top and to break here, and also we're going to catch that short. Even that one is possible, and also we're ready for everything, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator here, it's showing as if it tried to enter here to a zone where is the bears the control, but there is no power. Let's see the coming 4 hours how it's going to finish, guys, because that's very, very important. And also we follow that market hour per hour. We give the people the following us in our VIP Discord, of course, a 4-hour update about the market, which direction it is, if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. There's a lot of things. There is a lot of educational content if you want to learn, of course. Now, let's go into see the XRP or Ripple what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP here, we still have here, the one here. Also, we're still waiting it. If it's going to be broke here, we're going to catch that short, guys. That number one scenario. Another thing, maybe the XRP going to give us here a bearish flag like that, guys. Even that one is possible. If it's breaking here, we're going to catch it. And that's our job, guys. That's what us we're doing every time. If it's breaking here, we're going to catch it. That number one scenario. For long, us we're waiting that one here. Look at it. If it's going to be broke here, we're going to go more long with it. Also, we enter a long from here till above here. At this time, I'm still holding a little bit of it. I haven't closed it, and I'm looking what's going to happen in the coming hours, because that's my job, guys, and I know how to manage those trades. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it looks like it's entered here to a zone where is the bears the control. Let's see now what's going to happen. If that one going to fall down to touch for us extreme oversold area, because you remember us we told you we got here a bearish divergence like that. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. But based on our indicator, the XRP it's entered to a zone where is the bears the control, and is it in a downtrend. Let's see the coming hours what's going to tell us. Now it's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin, guys. Here in 30 minutes, also why we enter a short. We show it to you in the other channel. It's breaking here. We enter a short. Long we enter it from here till above here. Now also we still riding that short. Market here, it look like it's going to bounce above based on that very stronger zone here, as you see it, guys. Let's see what's going to happen now. If the market going to give us here like a head and shoulder, something like that. Second scenario, the market, we got here like a downtrend now. You see it like that. If any 30-minute candle close above it, we need to go more long, guys, and also we're ready for everything. All the week the market is going to spend it sideways, guys. If you want to make money from that sideways market, we told you what to do. The link of our Patreon, of course, to join our VIP Discord, is it down in the description of that video. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Based on our indicator, guys, we got here a small bullish divergence like that, guys, as you see it here. Should we enter a long? As I told you, also we're waiting the downtrend here, the one to be broke for us to catch that long. And also we're ready for everything, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button and to write with it a comment. And please, guys, tell me what can we improve in those videos of us. So that's it for that video, guys. Bye for now.